Hey everybody, Carl here from Apt. We're going to do some unboxings on the brand new Fitbit products. We've got the Inspire, Inspire HR, and then we've got the Versa Lite, but we're going to start off with the Inspire. Fitbit was kind enough to send us some samples early, so we got a chance to do this. So thank you to Fitbit for that. But we've got the Inspire already unboxed, and that was pretty straightforward, just a few accessories. So we're going to open up the HR here, see if there's anything different that comes in this box. My guess is that it's probably the same, but we will find out. And I mean, the big differences here are that the HR has the heart rate monitoring, which is a nice difference. This will do a little bit better job of tracking your sleeping and tracking your heart rate 24 hours a day. But it's got a very similar look here. This one actually looks really nice. This black and white combo looks really good. But as you can see, they have identical look other than the colors. Actually, the little hole pattern on the wrist straps is a little bit different too. So that's the Inspire HR. There's a little accessory area down here at the bottom, and looks to be the same type of stuff that came with the regular Inspire. You've got a large watch strap here, or a large strap to go with it. It comes with the small one on the timepiece right out of the box, and then you have your charger. They supply just a short charging cable for this one, which I guess is okay if you're going to plug it into your computer or something to charge it up. That's no big deal. This is magnetic. It holds it pretty well. There's a couple of contacts on here. If you can see, that'll line up with the contacts on the back of the device, and that holds it in place pretty well. And this is it's a really light fitness tracker too, so you don't really have to worry about it falling off of the magnet or anything like that. And I think that's everything. Yeah, basically you're just gonna download the app too and get started. So it's got some nice features in it. They are water resistant. This one, like I said, the HR is gonna track your heart rate, kind of give you stats there. It does a little better job of tracking you while you sleep as well. It gives you a little more data based on your sleeping habits. So it can kind of help you dial it in if you have trouble sleeping. Maybe this can open up your eyes to some different methods you can try. But that's the Inspire HR and the Inspire. Thanks for watching. We're going to have more videos coming up, so make sure you stay tuned for those.